Welcome to 99 Reviews with another video, and today I am going to talk about Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra upgrades, its launch date and many more, so let's begin the video. There's already been quite a bit of chatter around the Samsung Galaxy S25. Now a new leak suggests the most expensive handset in the range is in line for a significant camera upgrade. This comes from well-respected leaker of information, Ice Universe, on Chinese social media site Weibo via Android Authority. According to the tipster, there will be 4 cameras around the back of the Ultra. These cameras are apparently going to be a 200MP primary camera, a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, a secondary 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Hop over to our Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra review and you'll see it's those last 2 cameras that are set to be upgraded for 2025, from a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, respectively. That's quite the jump in terms of the megapixel count. It's hard to say for sure how these hardware upgrades will relate to improvements in photo and video capturing, but the quality should be boosted in various areas. We'll have to wait for Samsung's official unveiling to get the full story. Previous leaks around the Galaxy S25 Ultra had suggested that it might go down to a triple-lens rear camera, but it appears it might stick with a quad-lens setup after all. It would certainly help differentiate it from the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. We've also heard rumors about a few of the key specs that might come with the Galaxy S25 series, including the Ultra model. Perhaps not surprisingly, these phones are also being tipped to come with some substantial AI upgrades as well. Clues about the direction Samsung will go with the Galaxy S25 cameras might come with the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6, and a whole host of other Samsung gadgets, which is supposedly happening on July 10th, and we will of course bring you all the news as it's announced. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.